guys, Sunwar Zombie. Today we're going to be doing a new video. It's going to be a different type of video. I got this idea from Expert Mouse 5. Go sub to him. I'll leave the link in the description. So today we're going to be reviewing the HK Gaming GK61. Pretty dope keyboard. Yeah. I've been using it for like, I don't know, 5 days now, and it's really been helpful. But I'd like to say thank you for never mind. We're at 75 subscribers now, and I'd like to get up to 80 by the end of this week. I think we can do that. So if you're not subscribed and you're watching my videos, please hit that subscribe button. It would mean a lot. When we get to 100 subscribers, I will do a setup reveal. I just switched my setup up today, so we'll do a setup reveal at 100 subscribers. And please remember to like and subscribe the video. It would mean a lot to me. Thanks. Okay, so this is how the keyboard is packaged. It comes in a nice, good keyboard package, cardboard. It's just really nice. Got a little section on there. So let's open it up. I've obviously opened it before. I'm just like put it back how it was. So when you open it, first of all, you see the keyboard. Like, it's the most important part. You see the keyboard. It's really nice. I'll do a sound test later. Then you pull that out. I'm trying to hold this and pull that at the same time. Okay, so let's just put it right there. And then right here, there's going to be a nice braided cable. I don't use this because I have to reach too far for it, so I just use a, let's see. I use this kind of cable. It's just a 10-foot USB-C cable. Okay, let's get back to it. Just throw that box to the side. Okay, so this is the keyboard. Yeah, it's really cool. So the features of it. This is so the name of it is HK Gaming. It's made by HK Gaming. It's a great keyboard. It's a GK61. It's a Gateron blue switches, 60%. This is the back of it. It's there's no lifts on it, but it's lifted a couple, like an inch or two. I don't know. Yeah. So this, yeah, the switches it uses Gateron blue. Like I said, yeah. So let's show it lighted up. One sec. Let me show you how I do this. I'm purposely avoiding my setup, so you don't see my setup. Here's my Xbox. By the way, I play keyboard and mouse on console, so like it's a lot harder for me. Yeah, maybe just we can keep getting subscribers and stuff and get to 1,000, start getting stuff, and eventually maybe we'll be able to afford a PC. Never know. Might be able to see a little bit of my setup right here, but can't see all of it. Okay, let's plug it in. So it uses USB-C, and it's on the left side, which I love. So I was thinking about getting the Royal Clutch, but that has it on the middle. Has the plug-in on the middle. Yeah. So when you first get this keyboard, it is not going to be lighted this color. I downloaded software on my mom's computer and edited it to be this way, where I made the WASD a different color. When you get it, it's going to be rainbow, and it should be going back and forth. I don't really care for the lighting on this when it's going back and forth, so I set it to solid color in the software. The software is horrible. The software is just the worst software I've ever saw. And just, it's like Japanese. You have to use Google Translate and stuff. Yeah. Oh, by the way, that's my mouse. It's a Logitech GK. It's a Logitech, what's the word? G502. Tell me if you want to do a review. Tell me if you wanted me to do a review on this mouse. It's a really great mouse. I've been using it for like 3 weeks now. Okay, so let's do a sound test. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that. Let's see. Let me show you the switches it uses. I've told you what the switches are, but let's pull them out. Let's pull the cap off and show this. Gotta find the cap first. Keycap remover. Okay. This is the keycap remover it comes with. So let's just remove the plus and equal key. There, we got that. The keycaps are just made of ABS plastic, but you can buy your own. Let's see if it can focus. I guess not today, but it just made of ABS plastic, and these are the switches it uses. So Gateron blue, like I said, but they're like really good switches. They're really clicky. The blues are the clickiest ones. They're my favorite, just for that reason. So the RGB modes on this is horrible. The RGB is the lighting, as you guys know. So to switch it between, on the software, you can go between FN. You click FN, then you have to click, or you can double tap it to hold it, and then you click between these three. These are the ones you can use the software to program. I have it programmed to that one. But if you just want to be able to switch it back and forth, not from the modes, you just click that button, FN, then that button. And then there's a bunch of different modes. Yeah, works really well. It performs really good. It's definitely the best keyboard I've ever had. I haven't done very much PC gaming or anything. But the price of this keyboard is about $59 on Amazon. I'll put a link to it in the description. It's pretty affordable, to be honest, for a mechanical keyboard that's 60%. Like, you can't really ask for more than that. And this keyboard is compatible with PlayStation, Xbox, PC. You can use Chrome, you can use Mac OS, you can do Windows. You can do pretty much compatible with anything that you can plug a keyboard into. Yeah, it's just overall great keyboard. I've loved it. It might even be better than the Ducky one. It has hot swappable switches. So that means when you take out the keycap, take this out real quick. You can take out the switch because it has a switch remover with it. You can take out the switch, so you can put you can maybe put some grounds in there or something, like whatever you want to put. So yeah, it's really cool. Some more sound test. I wanted to say thank you for watching the video. I'd appreciate it a lot if you could like and subscribe and help us get to 80 subscribers. That would mean a lot to me. At 80 subscribers, I will be doing something where, I don't know, it's a surprise actually. I'll let you guys know when I hit 80 subscribers. So thanks for watching. I hope you guys all have a great day, and peace.